Hey guys, welcome back to Nerf Squad. I hope you're having a great day. Today's video is on my Overhauled Nerf Modulus Stryfe. This was for a commission, but first let's enjoy this awesome building time lapse. This thing absolutely the mods, if you couldn't already tell, it has an Omron 15 amp micro switch that has been dev-conned into place. I don't know why more people don't do this, because the switch has a plastic shell over it, and DevCon bonds plastic to plastic. Bonded it very well, and it only took like 5 seconds. The flywheel section, we have an open flywheel project flywheel cage for the Nerf Stryfe. Then I have Blaster Parts blue flywheels. These have a lower FPS because this blaster was commissioned for an HVZ player. He specifically wanted a lower FPS. If I wanted higher, I could go with Cyclone wheels or just the stock Nerf flywheels. They'll get higher performance than the Blaster Parts wheels. It's just tuned down because when HVZ are shooting people super close to you. And then in the motors, it's two Michelle 2.0 motors. Up here, it has a zippy compact 2S LiPo. This is supposed to be a 40C, but I bought a 25C. The 40C is coming, and I will be shipping it with that. But the 25C is mine. The 40C just didn't come in time. Here it has a thumb hole screw, so you can open the battery tray very fast. As you can see, most of it's been cleared out. It's connected with an XT60 connector. And that's pretty much all the mods. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.